ChatGPT can write poetry, code, and even answer your questions like a human. But is it actually thinking? It feels like magic, but under the hood, it's actually just math. So how does it actually work? Let's break it down. First, imagine reading every book, article, and website in existence. That's basically what ChatGPT did during its training. It was fed a massive amount of text data from the internet. It didn't just memorize it, though. It learned patterns. Just like you learned that thank is usually followed by you, the AI learned the structure of language itself. It analyzed billions of sentences to understand how words relate to each other. This is the pre-trained part of GPT. At its core, ChatGPT is really just a super advanced prediction machine. It's not knowing, it's guessing. When you ask a question, it doesn't look up an answer in a database. It predicts the next most likely word in the sequence. Think about it like this. If I say, the cat sat on the, what word comes next? You probably thought mat. ChatGPT does this, but considering thousands of context clues at once. It knows if you're talking about a pet cat or a construction caterpillar bulldozer based on the rest of your sentence. These connections are stored in what we call a neural network. It's a digital structure inspired by the human brain. GPT-3, for example, had 175 billion parameters. Think of these as knobs and dials that tweak how it processes information. But raw prediction isn't enough. That's where fine-tuning comes in. Humans reviewed its answers to teach it to be helpful. This helps the AI avoid harmful responses and stay on topic. It's like teaching a child manners after they learn to speak. This is why it can write code. It's seen millions of lines of code and learned the grammar of programming languages. But remember, it doesn't understand truth. It only understands probability. That's why it can sometimes confidently lie. We call these hallucinations. It's predicting a word that fits the pattern, even if the facts are completely wrong. However, that same mechanism is what makes it creative. It can combine ideas in ways that have never been written before. From writing a sonnet about a toaster to brainstorming business ideas, it's synthesizing patterns from all over human knowledge. So where is this going? The impact is going to be massive. We're just scratching the surface. In education, it's becoming a personal tutor that can explain any concept in any way, at any time. For work, it's an assistant that never sleeps, drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and analyzing data instantly. Communication barriers are breaking down. Real-time translation and cultural context are becoming accessible to everyone. The models are getting faster, smarter, and more accurate. What seems amazing today will be basic tomorrow. We're moving from chatbots to agents that can actually do things for you, like booking flights or managing your schedule. But technology is only as good as how we use it. It's a tool to enhance human creativity, not replace it. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans, and that's a pretty exciting future to be part of. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, it's not magic. It's the world's most impressive pattern matching machine. If you want to understand more about the tech shaping our world, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.